Hello, welcome, and thank you for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to be doing a paper piecing of the Grinch from my new page kit. Please check the link below. It'll take you to my Etsy shop where you can see this kit as well as a lot of other fun projects that I have. I do mini albums and I do page kits. I do flip through videos, paper collection packs as well. So anyway, a lot of fun stuff. So thank you for tuning in, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to be doing the paper piecing of this Grinch, and we're going to be using the Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear Liquid Adhesive, which you can also find in my shop if this is one of your favorite glues like mine, or if you just want to try it out. You can actually get a smaller 2-ounce bottle if you'd like to just try it out. That's in my shop as well, along with the metal tip. So I'm going to show you how to use that today. So what we're going to do, I'm going to start with the large piece here. Now you're going to see a lot of connection points. You can see right here where I've connected it. We're going to go in at the end with a fine tip black pen to go over and get rid of the connection points. We're going to color over those so that it's this way in your kit you receive this one large piece and not all these separate little pieces, so it makes it much nicer and cleaner and quick assembly. So let's see, I'm just trying to see how this is going to fit in. Okay, it's going to fit in just like that, and I'd like to do this sometimes is I'll lay the piece first to see where I'm going, so once I have my glue on, because it is a quick dry glue, you want to see where you're going to put it when you're ready. The nice thing about using the liquid glue is you do have some wiggle room to move it around because it's liquid. However, it does dry quickly, so you don't have that much time to mess around with it. Okay. So here I'm just kind of pushing them all into place. Okay, now if you have any glue starting to ooze out a little bit, I just press it down, and then I take the pin and just kind of go against the edges and pull up that glue. It does dry clear, so it's okay if you miss some or don't do that step. I just think it gives it a little bit more of a cleaner look without that there. Okay, so now on the back, which actually I was going to do first, but I forgot, so it's fine. On the back, we're going to glue this circle piece or oval piece for the eyes. I'm just going to turn it over. And we just want to cover up. So I'm going to go around the eyes here and just do a little bit there, a little bit there. And we're just going to place this over. As long as it covers up those holes completely and does not go around the edges, it doesn't matter exactly where you place it. And turn it over, and there you go. So that just gives you the white behind the eyes. That way you don't have two little dots that you're gluing on, so it makes it so much easier. Okay, next piece. Let's see. Let's go with this one. And what I like to do is before I get started is I will lay out. Oh, there's a tiny piece right there. I didn't even see him. I will lay out all my pieces and try to put them in the correct face up position. So as I'm assembling, it's much easier to put together and then less likely to make a mistake by gluing it upside, putting the glue on the wrong side. And so I'm just laying it down, giving a nice little border of black. So you just want to make sure you center it as best you can. Okay, now we're going to do his face. There's so much detailing in his face here. Okay. And this little tiny green piece, that's going to go right there. Trying to make sure I have it in the right position. So it has like a little notch taken out of one side. That's going to be on your right. And then there's like the top and the bottom. The bottom comes out a little bit more. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue right on the paper. And then just stick it down. Kind of center it on there. Okay, almost done. So I'm just going to lay this just to see where I'm going. It's going to go just like that. Okay, so let me start with the brown piece and then we'll do the white one. So on the left, it's actually got a little bit of a straight edge. So that's what I'm starting with. I want to make sure that goes all the way to the edge. And then while I'm here, I'm just going to glue this brown piece. Okay, so you see how that brown comes all the way to the edge right there. So start with that when you glue it on. Okay, now the white, I'm going to go ahead and just center that on there between the green and the brown. That should have a nice little border around the edge. It's not like perfect exact. This is just very loosely drawn there. Okay. And then this one's going to go right here. Just want to make sure I have it face up in the correct direction. Done. Okay, so there he is. And we're going to go in with some detailing next. He's got actually quite a bit of work to do with the pen, but it's not hard. So we're going to do that real quick. Okay, so we're going to start with, his eyes. Now I'm using the pure black Zig Writer. I'm using the thin end, or the fine tip end. Now with the eyes, I'm just going to do one little dot right in the center. One little dot right in the center. You can make it a little bit bolder if you like. I'm going to do it one more time. I don't want to mess it up, so I don't want to play with it too much, but one little tiny beady dot right now. And then right here under his nose, there's 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Okay, now connection points. I'm going to start from the head and go down. So the eyelids, there's 2 connection points that we need to go over. on the eyelids. So right here, now I go over it just a couple of times, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. You don't want to do too much, just to keep it nice. And you want to go, it's not necessarily a straight line. You want to go with the curve of that particular line. Okay, so here's a close-up. And now I'm going to go down here to his neck. And again, go with the curve. This one actually is pretty straight. Okay. And then let's see, I see one right here with his finger. Right there. And then underneath his finger here. There's actually quite a few in this one. He would have been a ton of pieces. So I really like I was able to make it one big piece. And then right here. And then over here. So if you pick up this kit, the page kit that he's from, you'll actually have a photo, a printed picture of him without the connection points so that you can see what you need to fill in and where. Okay, so I think that's everything on him. And now the log. Now the log does have connection points, but honestly, you can't really tell. I'm going to go ahead and fill them in anyway, but looks good just the way it is right now, actually. Okay, but see, there's like a little one. See, I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but one here, 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 here. I think that might be one too. Like I said, you can't really tell and you don't need to worry about it. But I'm going to do it anyway just because I know about it. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, please click the like button. That really helps out my channel. And please subscribe and click that bell for notifications. And again, please check out my shop. And this kit is available in my shop. Go ahead and click on that link below. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.